Plums, with their sweet, juicy flesh and vibrant colors, have been a beloved fruit for centuries. These delightful fruits come in a variety of colors, from deep purples and reds to golden yellows, each with its own unique flavor profile. Their versatility in culinary uses, from fresh eating to jams, jellies, and even wines, has made them a staple in many cultures around the world. From the ancient orchards of Asia to modern supermarkets, their journey from tree to table is a testament to human ingenuity and our evolving relationship with food. In ancient times, plums were not only a source of nourishment, but also held cultural and medicinal significance. They were often used in traditional remedies and were a symbol of resilience and renewal in many Asian cultures. Cultivated for thousands of years, plums represent a fascinating intersection of natural growth and human intervention. Early farmers selectively bred plum trees to enhance desirable traits such as sweetness, size, and resistance to pests. This careful selection process laid the foundation for the diverse varieties of plums we enjoy today. Their journey, from blossom to our tables, tells a story of careful cultivation and technological advancement, revealing how we've honed our ability to bring the best of nature to the world. The blooming of plum blossoms marks the beginning of this journey, a delicate process that requires optimal conditions and careful monitoring. This essay will explore the modern plum's path from orchard to packaging, highlighting the crucial role of technology in ensuring that these delicate fruits reach us at their peak of freshness and flavor. Advanced sorting and packaging techniques help maintain the quality of plums, preventing bruising and spoilage during transportation. We'll delve into the fascinating world of modern agriculture and discover how heavy machinery and cutting-edge technology have transformed the humble plum's journey. From automated harvesters to precision irrigation systems, these innovations have increased efficiency and yield, making it possible to meet the growing demand for this beloved fruit. Join us as we uncover the intricate processes that bring plums from the orchard to your table, ensuring that each bite is as delicious as nature intended. Gone are the days of hand-picking each plum. In the past, farmers would spend countless hours in the orchards, carefully selecting and picking each fruit by hand. This labor-intensive process, while effective, was time-consuming and physically demanding. Today's orchards hum with the activity of specialized machines designed for efficient and careful harvesting. These advanced machines have revolutionized the way plums are harvested, making the process faster and more efficient than ever before. Mechanical harvesters, resembling large wheeled platforms, are equipped with gentle shaking mechanisms. These machines are engineered to handle the delicate nature of plums, ensuring that the fruit is not damaged during the harvesting process. These machines carefully grasp the trees and shake them with just the right frequency, releasing ripe plums onto cushioned catching surfaces below. The precision of the shaking mechanism is crucial, as it ensures that only the ripest plums are harvested, leaving the unripe ones to mature further. This method minimizes bruising and ensures that only the ripest plums are collected. The cushioned surfaces play a vital role in protecting the plums from damage, preserving their quality and appearance. The collected plums then travel along conveyor belts, beginning their transformation from orchard treasures to packaged treats. These conveyor belts are designed to handle the plums gently, preventing any potential damage during transport. This delicate process, reliant on engineering precision and an understanding of the plum's delicate nature, ensures that minimal damage occurs, preserving the fruit's quality. The combination of advanced machinery and careful handling techniques guarantees that consumers receive the best possible product. Once harvested, the plums begin a journey through a series of sophisticated sorting systems. Here, advanced technologies come into play, ensuring that only the highest quality plums make it to the next stage. Optical sensors, equipped with high-resolution cameras, scan each plum, analyzing its size, shape, color, and even the presence of any blemishes. This meticulous sorting process guarantees that only plums meeting the highest standards of size, ripeness, and appearance are selected for packaging. Plums that don't meet these standards, while still perfectly edible, might be diverted to become jams, juices, or other delicious plum-based products. Section 4. A clean start preparing plums for the journey. Before packaging, the sorted plums undergo a thorough cleaning process. This ensures that only the best quality plums make it to the next stage. Farmers carefully inspect each plum, discarding any that don't meet the high standards required for market. Gentle washing stations use food-safe water and brushes to remove any remaining dirt or debris. The plums are handled with care to avoid bruising, ensuring they remain in perfect condition. This step is crucial not only for aesthetics but also for food safety, ensuring that consumers receive a clean and ready-to-enjoy product. Clean plums are more appealing and meet the stringent health standards set by food safety authorities. After cleaning, the plums are air-dried to remove any excess moisture. This drying process is essential to prevent mold and spoilage, which can occur if the plums are too wet. This helps prevent spoilage and maintains the plum's natural bloom, a protective layer that contributes to its freshness and shelf life. The natural bloom is a sign of a healthy plum, indicating it has been handled properly. The clean, dry plums are now ready for the final stage of their journey, packaging. Workers carefully place the plums into boxes, ensuring they are well protected for transport. Each box is labeled and sealed, ready to be shipped to markets and stores where they will be enjoyed by consumers. Section 5. Packaging, Perfection, Protecting the plums. The packaging stage is crucial for protecting the plums during transportation and ensuring they reach consumers in optimal condition. Plums are carefully packed into trays or clamshells, often using automated systems that maximize efficiency and minimize handling. These containers are designed to provide adequate cushioning and ventilation, preventing bruising and spoilage. Finally, the packaged plums are labeled with relevant information such as the variety, origin, and best before date. This information allows consumers to make informed choices and ensures transparency throughout the supply chain. Section 6. Efficiency and beyond. The benefits of modern plum processing. The use of heavy machinery and advanced technology in plum harvesting and processing offers numerous benefits. It increases efficiency, allowing for larger volumes of plums to be processed quickly and efficiently. This reduces waste and ensures that more people have access to fresh, high-quality fruit. Moreover, these technologies help maintain the quality and safety of the plums. Automated sorting and cleaning processes ensure that only the best plums are selected and that they are free from contaminants. This results in a superior product that meets the highest standards of consumer satisfaction. Section 7. From Grove to Table, a testament to technology. The journey of plums from harvest to packaging is a testament to the power of modern agriculture technology. From the mechanical harvesters that gently collect the ripe fruit, to the sophisticated sorting systems that ensure only the best plums are selected, each step is designed to maximize efficiency, precision, and quality. As we enjoy a perfectly ripe plum, it's worth appreciating the intricate journey it has taken and the remarkable technologies that made it possible.